Hi again everybody. As we said in the previous video, the next step will be to subdivide the orange boxes. We have 2 yellow boxes in the top bar and 2 in the body, but none in the footer. So we will go to Aptugo and notice that inside the divs there are 2 orange sections, which are top bar and body or product. And below we will put left, center and right. Once we have the names of the orange sections, we will create the yellow ones. And in case there are no sections in the orange boxes, we will create what goes inside them. In the top bar we have 2 sections, left or logo and right or buttons. In this case we will name them left and right. We already have the 2 yellow sections, which we see here below. We create the missing ones. We'll name one image and another we'll call, let's say, details. Now if we pay attention, we will notice that we cannot subdivide the orange squares of the footer, so we'll create what goes inside. These 2 will be of type text, and the one in the center is a logo, that is, an image. So let's go to define left and right of type text, and to the center div we will do it of type image. Now we proceed to fill the boxes with the information we want. What we need is to fill the image part. Here we figure the size of the box where the image goes. So what I can do is go to this part in Aptugo and give the image the same dimensions as the box. So far we have the orange boxes for the footer and we finished dividing the orange boxes for the top bar and the body. The next step will be to do the same but with the yellow boxes. Both above and the in image cannot be splitted again, so we will recreate the elements we need. On the top bar left is an image, so we drag the element to its place. In this box I want the common logo with a size of 190 by 25. We have already modified the box on the left, now we will do it with the one on the right. In most cases, here we would want links that takes us to different categories. But in this video we won't do that because we focus on making the page of a single product, and we will not make the filter page by products of different brands, for example. So we'll do an example of how to create this button, but have it lead to another link. What we will do in right is to use the simple link element, in which we will use the text element and type, for example, Ferrari. Within simple link, we choose the nav link option, and in destination, we select the page we want to be taken to. We go to the pad and copy all its content. Then we go to the page where the simple link was, and in destination, we paste what we copied before. In this way we already have our link and now we can repeat it with the rest. In this part I can copy 4 simple links and 4 text separately. Or I can take advantage of the simple link that we made, then copy it and take it 4 times inside. This way all my simple links will go to cars. The problem is that they are all going to be called Ferrari, so we change their names to whatever we want. In this case, car brands. I clarify that this internal name is only to differentiate it. In this way we will have the 4 simple links within our right section. Now we go to product, where we basically have 2 yellow sections. the one with an image and the one with two blue boxes. We'll start first with the blue boxes, that is, details. We create the two blue boxes and we call them left and right again. And to the other yellow box, since it does not have subdivisions, we directly give the element that goes inside, which is image. We can give this image the size we want, and we need Aptugo to scale the image we use to the size we define so that the page does not lose its shape. Here we write the size, 818 by 545. For now, we will leave the image pad empty. I'm not going to use an asset since the image will be static and will change according to the product that is loaded. For now, we will leave it blank. If we did build at this time, the project would not work well. We must fill the image pad or use an asset for the project to work correctly. We return to the blue boxes. We split them. On the left, we find 5 purple sections, and on the right, we find 2. So we go left and create 5 divs. And on right, we create only 2 divs. On the left, we have title, price, model, year, and power. From now on, we'll name them. And then we finish naming the left divisions and move on to the right ones. Here we can name the divs as title and body. And thus we conclude this second part. In the next video we will split the violet colored sections as, for instance, model, year, and energy. I hope you guys find it useful, and as always, thanks for watching.